Okay, so today what we're going to talk about is emotional disturbances. So we would define this kind of in a number of ways, but really it's any condition that exhibits one or more of the characteristics that we have listed here, which can include an inability to learn that can't be explained by intellectual, sensory, or health factors, an inability to build or maintain successful relationships with the people around them, inappropriate types of behavior or feelings, just a general unhappiness or depression can also be one of the characteristics. So for prevalence, this is the fourth largest disability category in IDEA. It largely consists of African American students, and there's far more males than females who are put under this category. So as for types, it's really a big umbrella term, but a few examples of what you might find under this category is anxiety disorders, bipolar disorder, eating disorders, OCD, things like that. As for causes, scientists are pretty unclear despite a huge effort to identify what the causes are. What we have listed here are the factors that are currently being studied as the possible causes of emotional disturbance. And that would be heredity, brain disorder, diet, stress, and family functioning, but none have been proven to be causes of emotional disturbance. So treatments, we'll just look at a couple here. Talk therapy is a big one. Inpatient behavior disorder treatment centers that they can go to, other rehab and treatment programs, and also medication can be looked into. As for the effect on development, so each student with emotional disturbance, they'll have kind of effects that are unique to the specific disability that they have that falls underneath emotional disturbance. But everyone who has an emotional disturbance will have a deficit in these three areas: emotional development, behavioral development, and cognitive development. Just kind of to go into it a little bit more, so these students might have specific emotional characteristics or conditions like anxiety disorder or mood disorder or schizophrenia, and not addressing any one of these disorders with the appropriate support system could have tragic results. There's really too many effects to really go into all of it, but basically all of them can result in problem behaviors, physical aggression, depression, anxiety. These are all possible effects if the disability isn't addressed. So some warning signs are hyperactivity, aggression or self-injury, social withdrawal, what looks to us to be immaturity, such as inappropriate crying, temper tantrums, poor coping skills, and learning difficulties. Now, you could see children who have one or more of these characteristics at any period of time in their life, really. But what makes certain students emotionally disturbed is the ones who exhibit these warning signs for a long period of time. So tools and strategies to help these students are emotional and behavioral support, helping them with their academics, helping them with social skills, teaching social skills, increasing self-awareness, teaching self-control and self-awareness, psychological services, counseling services, but above all is just support. We've got to support them. And that's the end.